Let's talk about the 2025 housing risk. Are we in big trouble? And how do we know? Well, let's start with the three big indicators, shall we? Hello and welcome to Suncoast Tampa Real Estate. Thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. So now, really, is real estate in trouble or not so much? The top three indicators will help us decide. Sound fair? All right, let's go. Number one, erasing lending standards. Feels like deja vu. Everyone says 2025 isn't 2008, but guess what? Lending standards are quietly being loosened again. We're seeing a push to approve millions more buyers using the new Vantage score instead of just FICO. Why does that matter? Well, because Vantage scores include things like rent and phone bills and can be good. They can paint a much rosier picture for credit worthiness. Well, that means more buyers will qualify, but not necessarily more qualified buyers, right? And the timing couldn't be worse. Delinquencies are already rising thanks to higher insurance, taxes, and inflation. And now we may be opening the door to even more risk. Number two, the adjustable rate mortgages, those ARMs, they're back. Some lenders are offering ARM loans well below 6% to lure buyers. Sounds tempting, great payment. Here's the problem. Unless you have a clear exit strategy, adjustable rate loans can come back to bite you in the butt. Payments can skyrocket later, just like we saw after 2020, when buyers expected to refinance in 3 to 5 years, and rates never dropped. Remember all the real estate agents saying you date the rate and you marry the house? Some are still saying that. Now many are stuck with homes they can't afford. That date the rate thing turned into a very bad relationship. Number three, massive price cuts. Even in Florida, builders across the state slashing prices 15, 20% or more. Like a $550,000 home listed at $450,000. That's great, but it's still sitting there. It's a wake-up call. Buyers have more leverage now, and the smart move is always to negotiate the price, not gamble the loan unless it's fixed. Number four, the insurance crisis. Since 2018, nearly 2 million insurance policies have been non-renewed, including mine after 15 years, with Florida among the hardest hit states. Why? All those damn hurricanes, right? Hurricanes, flooding, rebuilding costs through the roof, and insurance companies are pulling out. 12 major providers left Florida in just the last year, 12 more. And without insurance, I don't know if you know this, it's hard to get financing for a house, driving prices and demand down. We're watching entire zip codes become uninsurable. Finally, there's those HOAs. I know it sounds crazy, but one HOA is assessing a neighborhood for an $82,000 assessment over a plastic backyard shed and legal issues. Yes, a shed. Those legal fights can cost you, even if you had nothing to do with the drama. If you want to avoid the HOA nightmare, just don't buy in an HOA. But you may have to get used to neighbors parking their big giant boat in front of your house. No HOA is the only guaranteed way to dodge those special assessments. Here's my PMA hit, positive mental attitude. It's not all bad out there. In fact, in every market situation, up or down, there's opportunity. The key is education over emotion. Know what you're walking into and plan smarter than the headlines you're reading. That's how you win long term, and you can still do that with real estate. Remember, you can check out beachfront homes now with exclusive MLS data at MrBeachHouse.com. Every home is on the beach. And find out what your home is really worth. Get a free cash offer too at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. I know you've seen those agents on TV saying, we bought hundreds of houses with cash, but they're not really being upfront. Most of them use an iBuyer, and that's in many cases the same iBuyer that I can use. Just thought you'd like to know. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Please subscribe, and please share this video with someone you know, someone you love, or even someone you like just a little bit. See you next time on the beach or in the next video. Peace.